What's going on there? We're just at the Walmart Superstore here. Got the Pokemon, the pin collection. Let's see what kind of cards we got here. Can you open this for me? And we got, be careful though, don't fuck it all up, you know. Just had some KFC. See what kind of cards we got here today. Oh, we got the. Oh, open that part. There's my little helper here, my little elf. Well, we got the card that comes with the box. It's just a Mew. It's not really, maybe $1 cost, maybe 50 cents. All right, here's our first pack. Open that, Cecily, from the back like this. Like, peel this, and open this. Yeah. Oh, she is struggling with that, boys. Oh, don't watch the cards. Hold on. Look at this, look. See if it opens. Alright, we got. Here, open it. Oh, looks like we got a Cubone. Sharpshooting. 60 HP. It's pretty good, pretty good. Oh, we got that fucking old school Magikarp here. The good old Splash. We got Geodude. Punchy Rock. And Clefairy. Eevee. Energy. Blaine's Last. Energy. That's not too bad, I guess. No fucking holographic up in there. Shitty. But we'll collect those anyway. Here you go. Here's my little elf.